Welcome back to my channel. My name is Beth and this is Beth's Bookish Reviews, and I am here today to do an unboxing of a Dreamer Designs diamond painting. And this is the second of a set of buy two get two free that I got on a Monday special. And so I put the first one up, I think it's been a couple of weeks ago, and I meant to do this in a series and time just got away from me. But this is the second one, so I'm going to go ahead and I'll take this box. I've already pulled it out of the package, as you can see, so right out of the box. So I really like this one. Purple ribbon. And I still have the kit in here. So let's look at that. It comes with this pretty pink tray. Comes with some baggies. It comes with two grips that you can put on your pins. It comes with an AB pin, and well, that's not the AB pin. This is the AB pin, and it is really great for picking up ABs. And it comes with a multi-placer, two of them, and a regular pen, a divider in case you want to place it in the middle of your tray and have two different colors in your tray. It comes with this set of very sharp tweezers, and they are branded with the Dreamer Design logo. And it comes with the straightener tip, which works wonderfully to straighten your drills. And it comes with two sets of wax. This one says Color Vision of Life, and you do want to make sure you take the paper off. And I really like this lighter color tray. I like the purple ones too that they used to come with because that's my color. So I'm going to set that to the side for now, and we'll turn this over and kind of roll it. So this one I was for sure going to get once I saw it, because I'll tell you, it is of animals, and I will have to take you off the stand to see it. So this is the booklet. Thank you for your purchase, tips and tricks, instructions, and 15% off the next purchase. And here are the drills, and we'll look at those later. All right, so oh, this is not what I thought it was. I was thinking I was showing you something else. This is a Christmas one. Okay. So, close your eyes if you get seasick. Ouch. Okay. So, this is a Christmas one. And it is, let me turn this screen off, set off some of the glare. It is a Dominic Davison. It's the Christmas Lodge. It is 80 by 60 centimeters, or 31.5 by 23.6 inches. I guess I could take you back up there. And it has 68 colors with 5 ABs and 3 crystals. I don't know if any of those are fairy dust or what. I haven't looked. I'm not versed enough in it to be able to tell you. But it is a beautiful painting. I love this picture. I love that window, and it's just such a comfy, cozy vibe. Let me see if I can get as much as I can in there. Hold it still. Santa Claus sitting there putting out the back up here. So I just love it. It's my first Dominic Davison, and yes, I can't wait to do this. All right. Gonna be some, sorry for the noise. All right, it's one of the ABs. That's pretty orange. Let's get the train started. I'm guessing that's the black. There's 3 of those. And browns. That is a pretty color. I like that color. Pretty and vibrant colors. I think Dreamer Design always has such pretty colors. That green's pretty too. That's a pretty color. There's 2 bags of that. 2 bags of this brown here. This blue right here is really pretty. Trying to see if I'm in frame here. I thought this was separated right here. I thought this was all the pink there was in there, but got some blues. That's a pretty blue. Ooh. Maybe. Maybe. And yes, they are crystals. Okay, so there it is. I know this video wasn't very long, but I just wanted to do this unboxing. And I will take you back out of the stand and show you one more time. After I move these Santa Claus with the tree, fireplace with the stockings hung. Like I said, I was drawn to it just because of the, well, because I liked the scene, you know, because it's a Christmas scene. I'm going to end up getting my stand in the way. I love that window. Oh, I forgot to show you the sticker set. There's a deer head mounted on the mantle. And so there are 68 colors. Alright. So if you enjoyed this and you want to see more from me, click that like button and that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.